We're in Evanston, Wyoming, at their Roundhouse, which has been, is in the process of being converted to an event center. There's a maintenance facility here that looks to have been already converted into some sort of event center, office space. I'm not quite sure, but there's some old cars down here, a caboose and a crane. We'll walk down that way and do a video there. But we'll walk along here. Let's see what we see. This Roundhouse is massive, and it's got a turntable. There's some old switchers. I see a dog poop bag. So obviously a ton of construction going on. For all I know, I'm not supposed to be back here, but the heck. It's easier to ask forgiveness than permission. Oh man, this is a huge, huge roundhouse. Biggest one I've ever seen, but of course I haven't seen a lot. Switchers. Yeah, boy, this is a huge one. This is going to be really cool when they're done. See, I got a locomotive coming up behind me. Yeah, there's another maintenance facility, obviously. Well, we'll see what else is going on here. Peeking some windows.